it's Andrea. I'm back with another unboxing for MunchPak. This is a snack box that sends you snacks from around the world. It is, I believe, $13.95 shipping, tax, and all a month for this little box. They do have bigger sizes. The price goes up accordingly. I do have a link that I'll put down below that'll save you $5 off your first box, whichever size you get. I signed up for the year, so mine, it gets cheaper when you do that. Mine cost me on average of $9.95 a month because I did that. I really like this subscription, and usually the snacks they send you are very tasty. That's what it looks like when you open it up. I'm pretty dang full from supper, so hopefully I can do this taste test without exploding. You remember that, what was that movie? The Meaning of Life, and had that big guy eating at this restaurant all this tons and tons of food, and then the waiter's like, have one more bite, just one thin wafer, and he eats it and he explodes. That's what I feel like right now. Okay, in the magazine it's got the mini, which I got, the original, the family, and then you can add a soda if you want to the bigger boxes. I get the mini. Ooh. I see something interesting right off the back. Right off the bat. Cheetos Pelotazos. It looks like he's kicking a soccer ball. These are from Spain. A great Spanish twist on Cheetos. These have the classic cheesy taste, but are baked and shaped like footballs. That's soccer balls to Americans. Or as we call them in America, soccer balls. These glasses are filthy. All right, let's try one of these. They are weird. Good. They don't taste anything like Cheetos to me, or cheese puffs. They're very different. The texture is different. It's firmer. The cheese tastes like maybe a white cheese or a Gouda, something like that. These are pretty tasty. I shall enjoy them when I'm not so full. This thing looks huge. Oh my God. Soft croissant with peanut butter and chocolate cream filling. Seven Days Soft. Fluffy and sweet croissants from 7 Days filled with rich and creamy peanut butter, cream, and chocolate. Way better than eating a PB&J sandwich from Bulgaria. I predict I'm not going to dig this. This thing is humongous. I knew I wasn't going to get anything. The croissant itself is tasty. The croissant is tasty. I didn't get any cream filling in that first bite. I'll keep trying later. I'm too freaking full to do it. Hold on just a second. Okay, sorry about that. I had a really bad headache and I was still so full I couldn't even do a thing. I still have a little bit of a headache, but I feel better. So the show must go on. I'm going to try more of this since I didn't get any filling in that first bite. So I'm going to try again and see if I can't get some filling this time. Pretty good. It's very little filling, as you can see. Maybe there's more down in it but very, very little filling from my 2 bites. But it's pretty tasty. Not too shabby. Let's get my book back out. And y'all can tell from how I look that I'm feeling rough today. Just not feeling good. Next. Ooh. Baked snack sticks. Pizza Prez. Seems like I've gotten these before in a box. Pizza flavored breadsticks. These are from Thailand. So weird. I wouldn't expect pizza breadsticks from Thailand. The dream of having pizza for every single meal gets closer to becoming a reality with these pretz from Glico. With every crunchy bite, you'll get a rush of full pizza flavor. Let's see about that. Let's see about that. It's in a foil bag. They're right. They are right. Just that one little bite. Pizza. Delicious. So weird. It tastes like Supreme pizza. To me, it tastes exactly like Red Baron's Supreme frozen pizza. That's my favorite frozen pizza. I'm looking so rough, it's not even funny. Next, Extreme Chew-Its Sour Apple Chews. This sounds interesting. This is from United Kingdom. A sour lover's dream, Chew-Its Extreme contains 6 extremely chewy, extremely sour green apple chews. Can you handle this much sour? They're individually wrapped, kind of like a Now and Later. That's what it reminds me of. Again, it's pretty firm. Now and Later. It's exactly what it tastes like. Sour apple Now and Later, which I love Now and Laters. That'll take a while to eat if you know anything about Now and Laters. So I'm gonna set it to the side for now because I did get a good taste. It's delicious. This bag has been really good so far. The last thing, Amore chocolate. Looks like little, looks like Oreos, but instead of a white filling, it's got a chocolate filling. This is from Brazil. Delicious chocolate cookies are stuffed with tasty chocolate cream. These chocolate on chocolate cookies are super yummy and will cure any sweet tooth. See what I'm talking about? I like MunchPak, I really do. And it's really fun. Like when I signed up for a year, it's only $10. It says Rochester on it. Or Richester. Richester. They're good. They're very fresh. They're good. little bit dry. A little bit. Oreos are better. But they're still delicious. Okay. This was a really good box. My favorite is hard to pick because I really love the pizza sticks, the Cheetos and the sour apple chews. Those are my 3 favorites. I guess I'm going to have to go for this for the win. But those other 2 are really good as well. My least favorite is the croissant. The croissant. I won't eat any more of this. I will eat more of these 3 for sure. I'll eat them. And I'll probably see if Sam wants the rest of these because I'm not a real big sweets person, except I really like sugar candy. If he doesn't want them, they will get eaten though. What y'all think? Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like the video. And I'm sorry I'm all looking a hot mess tonight with my headache and all that stuff. So thank y'all for putting up with me and watching. Be sure and check down in my description box down below for active giveaways. I'll see you at the next one.